This is what I told you, but for my will stop. I will stop. Topic now is 12 monkeys. 12 monkeys. 12 monkeys. Bruce Willis there in that 12 monkeys. It's a movie. The actor is Bruce Willis together with Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt is a schizo, okay, while Bruce Willis is a man from the future. He was sent to the present and to the past. His mission is to stop the plague, the sickness that will spread, and will kill or like 60% or 60 to 70% of human around the world. Brad Pitt and Bruce Willis met in the asylum. It's an intellectual movie. It's an intelligent movie. So the thing is, when the scientists sent Mr. Bruce Willis in that particular time when the virus or the red sickness spread, their time machine or their system of time traveling is not that precise. So or simply they don't know exactly the exact date with the virus. So when something goes wrong in their time machine, Bruce Willis sent to the past, World War One. The thing is, you will see the weird about that movie is you will see Mr. Bruce Willis in his character in the past in World War One. His picture. Then then another moment in the past, he will see another picture of that person. Actually, it was a story from like Sarah O'Connor of Terminator. Sarah Connor is a patient to this. She's a schizo. She's telling stories about Terminator robots sent from the future to the past, to the present, to destroy her kid. It's more like that. Mr. Bruce Willis his character is a schizo. We thought that he's a schizo, but this patient or this schizo are telling the scientists that I am not crazy person. I am from the future. My mission is to stop the sickness, to stop the plague that will spread and kill almost 60 to 70% humans, and the rest will live in outer space, and only animals will survive. So what? So the psychiatrist, amazed by his story, the character of Mr. Bashir, and when he asked him, when the psychiatrist asked Mr. Bruce Willis, his character, he keeps he's stable on his testament, unlike those other patients that obviously schizo. So he did call for another for his other psychiatrists and other scientists to observe and to analyze what he's saying. For it seems that he's consistent in his testament, or unlike this patient that is seeing things, etc. The thing is that character, his picture is in the past, the other past time, in a lot of times, till he reach the said exact date that he will not stop on traveling through time till he reach the said virus that will kill a lot of humans. In our time, in reality, I suspected it as AIDS. Maybe that patient, like Sarah Connor or character of is pertaining to the sickness AIDS, either AIDS, bird flu virus, or new type of cancer, etc. That is similar to the past present, future past present episode of X-Men for other sickness. And if you browse in YouTube, you'll see a lot of videos there that features time traveling. I mean real, not movies, not Back to the Future. And another girl in China. Wow, you will be amazed at that video. A woman in China, a woman in China. A man is about to be smashed by a fast car or fast truck. A woman saved him. That woman warped him, touched him, and suddenly they disappeared and appeared to the safe place. It's more, they warped. And the thing is, there's a video cam, or like a surveillance camera for a business establishment. The surveillance camera caught the girl, caught that woman while she worked the man supposed to be killed but was smashed by the car. That it's a raw video. No, not a movie. Okay, this is Mark Antonio Carreño. That's my weird stuff for now. That's my weird stuff. It's time to hear yours. This is Mark Antonio Carreño saying bye.